Hello everyone, I'm Tabitha Yount. I'm the owner of Elegant Homes and Interiors, and I hope I'm live, but I'm going to go ahead and go with it. I always do this, I know, but I wanted to tell you and inform you guys to make sure that you guys know about the fall workshop that's going to go on this evening at 7 o'clock Central Time, because I'm in Missouri. Hello, Janice. I'm seeing Janice on here, so I'm not alone. Hello, Barbara. I want to invite you guys. If you haven't gotten into the group, then the link is down here, or I think it's actually up there. The link is up there. Go get in the workshop and make sure that you're in there, and get in there because we're going to decorate my mantle that's upstairs in my living room, and we're going to decorate it and transform it for fall. I'm super excited, guys. I've never had. Really, I don't think I've ever done that one on anything live. So that is going to be transformed with you guys tonight. I'm going to show you a couple different ways you guys can do it. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you. I'm going to show you one of my very, very favorite garlands. And this garland will take you basically from fall all the way into spring. So this is one of my very favorite garlands. I've used it for many years. And I'm super excited to show you guys what you can do with it. So if you're not in the group, you need to go get in the group so you can see what garland I'm talking about. Hello, Pat. Hello, Kimberly. Hello, Barbara. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. It's beautiful in Missouri here. Yesterday we had a little storm, and now it cooled it down, and wow, it's amazing. It's just absolutely beautiful. I'm standing outside because I'm headed out, and I thought I better go live and tell them and let them know. Another thing I want to inform you is if you like, share, and comment, we are giving away gift certificates to Jamie's Secret Garden and Hobby Lobby. Excuse me. So make sure you guys go in there and you do that. You like, share, and comment on all the posts, and we'll be giving those away this week in the group. So make sure you do that. I'll be posting it on here who is the winner. So you want to do that as well. And there'll be a $20 gift card that's in the group to the boutique that's going to go on for Friday night. And so some of the products, some of my favorite products for fall, we're going to be selling, guys. So you definitely want to get in on that. There's limited availability because, you know, we just didn't know how well it was going to go. So this is something we're trying new just to see how it goes. And I know that some of you guys have been asking for it. So here it is. We're super excited to do it. Yeah, so this is exciting, and we'll see how this goes. So one of the things I want to tell you is to make sure that you, you know, get on here and make sure you're in the group so that you get all this fun stuff that's happening. And it's in the evenings. The whole workshop is in the evenings because a lot of you guys said, you know, it's hard for me to get out. A lot of you guys work and things like that. So I wanted to make, you know, sure that everybody could do that. So that's what we're doing. Hi, Wanda. How are you? And so we wanted to make sure that everybody had a chance to get into the workshop and watch it. So it'll be tonight. We're going to start that, and we're going to work on the mantle first to transform that for fall. So tonight at 7 o'clock. And yes, I've got a lot of cool things. So you don't want to miss it, guys. So make sure you're there, and you're like, sharing, and commenting, and doing all the things so you can get a chance to win. Okay, guys? I'm headed out to go to one of my wholesalers in Kansas City that I haven't been to in years. So I'm headed out to do that so we can have some goodies for Friday. Yeah, I'm super excited, guys. Hi, Mallory. How are you? I will be going to Mallory's house next Friday. So I'm super excited about that. Okay, guys. If you have any questions about the workshop or anything like that, leave them below, and I'll try to answer them today as I'm headed out. And I'm doing all the things and getting everything ready for tonight. I hope I see everybody in there. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a lovely day, and see you tonight. Bye-bye, guys.